Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Gemini inside Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer and go to the top menu. Then click on Get Add-ins. This will open the Microsoft App Store inside Excel. In the search bar, type GPT for Excel and install the add-in. Once it is installed, you will see it appear on the right side of your screen. Now open the add-in and look at the top left corner, where you will find an option called GPT Functions. Click on it to access the main settings. Inside the settings, find the model section and click on models. This will open a list of available AI models. Scroll through the list until you find Gemini 2.5 Flash or a similar Gemini model, then click on it to select it as your active model. After selecting the model, you can scroll down and adjust other settings based on your needs. You can control how the AI responds and how it works with your data. Once everything is set, go back to the agent section inside the add-in. Now you can start typing your prompts and use Gemini directly in Excel to generate text, analyze data, or automate tasks. That is how you can set up and use Gemini in Excel easily. Thanks for watching.